Hey guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. I'm excited to unbox my second box of style by Rachel Zoe. So this came in just a big brown box, so I took it out, and this is what I found inside. We're gonna dive into that in a sec, but this is my second box. The first box I'll link up so you can go take a peek at it. To subscribe, you can do quarterly per box at $99.99 a box. Or you can prepay for a year at $349.99 and get your 4 boxes, one a quarter, and you save 50 bucks. Each box has over $400 in value of stuff that Rachel curates. Boxes ship on the 1st. You get anniversary gifts and first access to add-ons if you do the prepay. It's kind of like FabFitFun Select. When you prepay for an entire year, they give you a lot of perks, so it's most definitely worth it. Okay, so I'm really excited because my last one came in a beautiful box. This one's a little different. It's clearly a bag of some sort. Is it Shiraleah? Shiraleah, Chicago? I don't know. That is really, really cute, y'all. The Arden Tote in tan. I love this. It's like a suede and leather mix. Here's the box. I'm really curious as to how this is gonna go down. Okay, so it's got a magnet button right there to close it up. And what you're seeing right here is the stitching from a zipper pocket inside the bag. That is a really, really cute bag. I am excited about that. How cute is this? I have now 3 of these boxes, and we reuse them for all sorts of things. They're amazing boxes, like really, really good. DIFF charitable eyewear. These are the Bella. Oh, these look cute. What do we think? I can't see myself at all, so y'all are the only ones who can see me right now. Are they cute? I love tortoiseshell. I love gold. I can't wait to try these on in a mirror where I can see them. So they're by DIFF. For every pair of DIFF shades sold, we donate 1 pair of glasses to a person in need. Love, love, love this. Love this. I'm gonna have to get on the website. Anything that gives me a good excuse to shop, I'll take it. How very cool are those? Okay, we are off to an insanely good start. This says, "Buy you with love." Oh, I think it's a bracelet. Oh, I hope this fits me. I have super skinny wrists. That is really cute. Let's see if I can get this on me. I can one-hand it. I think I can do it. Got it. It's a little loose, but that's okay. That is super cute. And that's like second from the last. So it can tighten up as much as that to fit my wrist. I love, love, love this. R+CO Waterfall Moisture and Shine Lotion. What's funny is I was talking to my husband the other day. I obviously subscribe to a lot of subscription boxes, but I very rarely get soap, like bathing soap, bath soap. It's really odd. I get a ton of lotion, I get lip glosses, I get all those things, but I don't ever get bath soap. So I'm excited to try that. I'll try to smell it. I'm so congested, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to smell it. Oh yeah, I can smell it. It's kind of got seemingly a floral more floral than waterfall-y to me. cascade into an overflow of shiny, soft, manageable hair with Waterfall Moisture and Shine Lotion. A light yet intensely hydrating lotion designed for fine to medium and extra long hair. Okay, this product just got way cooler. I need to look this up and see if it's Curly Girl approved. The first ingredient is water, which is always great. And then it's paraben and sulfate free. I need to go through and make sure it doesn't have any of the bad alcohols, but it looks like it's good. That's exciting. That just got way cooler to me. I'm glad I looked back to that. Okay, this is a Hydrate and Nourish skin supplement. Reveal your softest and most hydrated skin with this cult favorite. This toner gently calms, hydrates, and refreshes and eliminates dullness and even skin tones. I love toner and face mask right now. Those are like my two things I'm super into. So I'm very excited to try this out. So let's say I just paid for the box in and of itself. It's $100, $99.99. Of course, if I prepaid for it, it'd be less than that. The value of the tote alone is $74. And I agree that that is an accurate assessment. The value for the sunglasses are $85. And I think that is, these are very quality, high end. It's not the cheapy plastic stuff. The bracelet is $195. I'll be honest, like it's made of very good material and it feels great and it looks beautiful. Don't know if I personally paid $200 for it, but I do love it. And then the hydrating skin supplement is $68. That's exactly what I expected from that. And the leave-in is $29. So I did not add up the total value of all of that, but clearly it's more than $100. So this is the spring 2020 box. I want to dive into one more thing with you real quick. If you do the quarterly subscription, as in you prepay for the year to get your 4 boxes, you get those 4 boxes with that rate no matter what. But you will see every once in a while a select box pop up. And for those of you who do not know what a select box is, I want to share that with you. Select boxes are when a seasonal box has sold out. So the winter 2019 box sold out that fast and there were no more boxes left. The designer, in this case Rachel, will design a select box and they pull favorite items from past boxes to create the winter 2019 select box. That's what this is. If you are a regular subscriber, these boxes aren't necessarily for you because you're gonna get repeat product. Now, if you're a brand new subscriber, you have, let's say you're signing up right now, you could go back and get select boxes. You're gonna be fine. And you could even invest in like the spring select box because you don't have the old stuff. But if you've been a member for a while, select boxes aren't gonna be the best match for you because you're gonna get duplicates. But in the select box, you get everything, the same great stuff you would get in a typical box for the same price, $99.99. Anybody can add them on. They are not part of the annual subscription. So this is the winter 2019 select box. It has this belt, which I've already taken the items out of this and worn it. I like reconstructed it so I can show you guys the difference in the regular quarterly boxes and the select boxes that pop up. So this belt is phenomenal. Then the Boxes Style by Rachel Zoe necklace. I have also, I literally repackaged this just to show you guys. Have worn this and it's so stinking cute. I don't wanna, can y'all see? It's really, really pretty on. Lay that there. Then I got the Hollywood Glamour mini palette. This is my second mini palette of hers and I love them because they come in usually based on the season. So the colors are appropriate for that season. So like winter will have like Christmas colors and Christmas sparkles and Christmas wares. There we go. Isn't that great? Over here. This is by Eddie Borgo. Look how beautiful it is. So, I'm gonna create a whole stack right here on my arm. It's a really, really pretty watch. And last but not least is this guy, and it's big. I'm gonna scoot back just a bit. Oh, the belt's by below the belt. This one here. The tags are real. Look at this guy. Oh, I have her upside down. Isn't she so cute? So it's a big cape, and it's got tassels on the bottom. So this is what came in the winter 2019 select box. So there you go. Now you know what the difference between the regular quarterly subscriptions and the select boxes that pop up. Okay guys, if you have any questions, please do reach out. Go down below. That's where I'm gonna link up any coupons or discounts or anything that I have for Box of Style so you guys can take advantage of it. If you have questions specifically about any of this, reach out, DM me. And if you like what you're seeing here, please click subscribe to the channel, but also give this video a thumbs up. It's really encouraging to see those come through. I hope that you guys have a fabulous day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.